Installing the Dutch door. Prior to installing, we just want to make sure that our door frame is installed level and parallel to prevent any issues. So the width between the frame, the 2x3, should be the same on the top and the bottom. It's real easy just to pull a screw out of the wall and make any adjustments now prior to starting. We'll also check for level right where the door sits. Ideally, if you can go post to post, any high spots or low spots out of level is going to make the door not fit when you hang it. Just wanted to reiterate that one more time. Okay, now that we know our parallel measurements are good for our door frame, our floor is level, we're ready to install. We're going to use one of the extra pieces of bevel that was left over in the kit, and we're going to use it just as a little shim here to start the door on. We need to get it up off the ground, so we'll just start it there and we'll adjust it. So we'll go with the bottom half first. We've already attached the hinges to the door. You'll have to do that prior to this step. This is really a two-person job and much easier. It can be done with one person who's handy, but two people will make it easier. So what you want to do is you want to split all your gaps evenly. So you want your margin on each side to be the same, and then we want the bottom, middle, and top to split those gaps evenly as well. Once again, you got to pre-install the hinges. Flange goes flat on the outside. Okay. So now, let's get our height set. How much of a gap do we have on the bottom? On the bottom? Yeah, how much is it sitting up off the bottom? So we want to figure that.
3/16.
Okay, 3/16, and how much are we at the top? Half an inch?
Half inch.
Okay, now can we split the difference? Can we do 3/16 in the middle, top and bottom?
Actually, that's probably an eighth there.
So we want to try to make it all the same, the gaps evenly. So we do 3/16 to the top, around 3/16 in the middle, and around 3/16 on the bottom. You'll have to play with it and adjust it. You can adjust the shim on the bottom if you need to raise the bottom or lower it. Once again, try to split all your gaps evenly on both sides. It does take a little bit of caressing and finicking around. It's not easy, but it's doable. I would recommend tacking one screw in each hinge, making sure everything fits and swings before screwing it off. That way, if you need to make any adjustments, you're not having to pull screws out. Okay, let's pull your shim out and see how it swings. Push the door in, yeah. Okay, everything seems to be fitting, no binding, gaps are fitting smooth. Okay, this helps when you have a level floor and a parallel door frame. If your door frame is crooked, your floor is out of level, it's not going to fit like this. You're going to be fighting it and struggling it. So make sure you use some carpentry principles.